Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of uploading a YouTube video watermark on your PC. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio, the platform's Creator Hub. Step 2. Select Customization from the menu options. Step 3. Click on Branding to access the branding settings. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Video Watermark section. Step 5. Click on Upload to choose the image file you want to use as your video watermark. By following these steps, you can easily customize your YouTube videos by adding a watermark. Watermarks are a great way to promote your brand, enhance your video's visual appeal, and increase brand recognition among your viewers. Remember to choose a watermark that represents your brand effectively and is visually appealing. It's recommended to use a transparent PNG image for the best results. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to upload a YouTube video watermark on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.